This video is inspired by James Charles, so hey sisters, it's T. Whoever knows me will probably know that there was a lot of convincing to create such a video. Don't get me wrong, I love the camera and I love having someone do my makeup. But I could also be very shy. In this video, I had my talented friend Ash Glamour, who's a makeup artist, to transform this look on me. I've been recently obsessed with makeup videos. Who isn't? This internet is blasting with talents. I came across a look by Jodie Holm that inspired James Charles to recreate his own version called Blank Canvas. He posted this video for New Year's 2018 as a symbol to start painting his year however he wants. So I thought, what better way to start my YouTube journey? 1. It is James Charles. 2. I'm in love with the look. 3. It was so much fun shooting. Since it's my first video, I thought, why not introduce myself a little more? I just turned 25 on June 14th. Save the date. Because one thing you need to know about me is that birthday does not exist in my dictionary. It's more like birth week, or even better, birth month. Do you hear that, people? I was born in June. I have 2 pets, a Persian female cat called Nala, who is also born on June 14th. On the other hand, my second pet isn't as fluffy and cute as Nala, but I still love him, despite his roughness and his big appetite. My Rottweiler, Prince. Anyways, Dubai has been home my entire life. I'm originally Lebanese, although I get a lot of people approaching me speaking Russian, and I feel bad that I can't answer back. Maybe I should start learning Russian. I have so much planned for my channel, so stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment if you liked the final look. I personally loved it and wanted a Halloween party to go to just so I wouldn't have to remove this look. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram @TatianaLubus. That's a wrap. Catch you later!